It's time to start installing some air conditioners. It's in the 70s today and it's supposed to be almost 80 the next few days. So I'm going to take this 7500 BTU fetters over to the other place and install it in the kitchen. This is the one with the slower fan. Now it's time to put the one in the living room. I think I'm going to try out this new 8000 BTU white Westinghouse. Got the white Westinghouse in and secured, so let's start it up. We'll go to low. Pretty quiet on low. Of course, this one isn't as quiet as the 5200 BTU because the fan spins faster on this one. Let's try out medium. There's high. So yeah, this one gets kind of loud on high. Sounds good. Starting to cool already. The 7500 BTU fetters has been running great. Compressor has cycled on and off a few times. Right now it's off. And yeah, it's been keeping the room nice and cool. The white Westinghouse is doing fine as well. This one is also cycled off at the moment. I'm going to turn this one off for the night. I already shut the white Westinghouse off. And as you saw, I just started up the 5100 BTU Hampton Bay fetters. And we'll be getting plenty of use out of these units over the next couple of days. Here's the current humidity level and temperature down in the basement. It's been raining quite a bit, so humidity is up a little bit. According to the dehumidifier, it's 50%, and that has been working just fine. That's the Wakecar 25-pint dehumidifier. It's been dripping a lot of condensation, so it is working properly. Not sure what unit I'm going to put in the dining room yet. I have not made that decision, so I'm going to have to figure that out. I also still have to finish my spring air conditioner startup video. I've recorded a few starting up, but not all of them yet. So I will probably be doing that in the next couple days.